Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at dividing fractions. But first, let's introduce a new term here. So let a over b be a number where a and b are both not zero. Then the reciprocal of a over b is b over a, as such. So we take ab, switch it like that, b over a is called the reciprocal of a over b. And just a quick note, if we have a over b times its reciprocal, b over a, then this reduces to 1. So any number multiplied by its reciprocal gives 1. If ever you're not sure if you have the reciprocal or not, multiply the two together, and if you get 1, it is the reciprocal. So example 1. Find the reciprocal of the following numbers. So 2/3, switch, 3/2 like that. 6 over 7, switch, 7 over 6. 2 1/4, we're going to convert that to 9 over 4, and then like that. Reciprocal is 4 over 9. 12 is the same as 12 over 1. Reciprocal is 1 over 12. 1 over 8, reciprocal, 8 over 1, which is the same as 8 as such. It's that easy. It's a very easy term to work with. Okay, so practice 1. Go ahead and find the reciprocal of the following numbers. Go ahead and pause the video and find that. Okay, so we have 5 over 7 to be 7 over 5. 6 over 10 is 10 over 6. 4 1/5, convert that to 21 over 5. Reciprocal, 5 over 21. 3, reciprocal is 1/3. Here, reciprocal, 7 over 20. Okay, next, suppose we have half of a pizza that we are dividing into sections that are 1/6 of the whole pizza. So here we have half the pizza, dividing it into sections that are 1/6, and we have 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, as such. And so what we're doing here is having a half divided by 1/6. And the method here, in general, is whenever we're dividing a fraction, we go times the reciprocal, so 6 over 1, and then we perform that multiplication, which gives us 3, like that. And so in general, when dividing by a fraction, we change the division into a multiplication of the reciprocal. So divide by fraction times the reciprocal. Okay, so let's see some examples. Okay, example 2, divide and simplify. So divided by a quarter times the reciprocal. Divided by 2/3 times the reciprocal. Divided by 4 times the reciprocal. Divided by 3 times the reciprocal. I'm just showing you that it's that easy. Divided by 2 over 7 times the reciprocal. So here we have 12 times the reciprocal as such, and then we can cancel as we go. So we have 3 times 3 over 1. This gives us 9. 2 over 5 times 1 over 4. 2's cancel out, so we have 1 over 10. Divided by 3, so it's times the reciprocal. 3's cancel out, what's left is 2 on the top, 7 on the bottom. 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 7, so we have times the reciprocal. 21 over 10, like that. 8 over 9 divided by 1/3 times the reciprocal. 3 is in common, bang bang. What's left is 8 on the top, 3 on the bottom. So this here is sometimes referred to as a complex fraction because there's a fraction within a fraction. So this is 5/2 divided by 3/6, like that. And so we're just writing it a different way. So 5/2 divided by 3/6. So this is times the reciprocal as such. 2 and 3 cancel with the 6. So what's left is 5 over 1, which gives 5. Again here, 7 over 8 divided by 14. So 7 over 8 divided by 14 over 1. Times the reciprocal. 7 is in common here, bang bang. What's left is 2 on the bottom, 1 on top. 1 times 1, 1. 8 times 2, 16. 3 divided by 5 over 9. So 3 divided by 5 over 9 times the reciprocal, 9 over 5. No cancellations, so 27 over 5 is the final answer. Okay, let's do some practice. Okay. So let's say all the way to F, A to F. Go ahead and pause the video and perform those divisions and simplify your answers. Okay, the next part here, G to J. Go ahead and pause the video and perform those divisions and simplifications. Okay, so let's correct them together. So A, so divided by a third times 3 over 1, 15 over 1, 15. B, divided by 14 over 3 times 3 over 14. 7's cancel out, bang bang. What's left is 3 on the top, 2 on the bottom. 5 half divided by 6 times the reciprocal, 1 over 6. This becomes 5 over 12, no reductions. 8 over 9 divided by 11 over 2, so times the reciprocal, 2 over 11. 16 over 99 as such. 12 over 5 divided by 2 over 10, so times the reciprocal, 10 over 2. The 5 and 2 cancel out with the 10, bang bang. So what's left is 12 over 1. 3 over 7 divided by 6 over 5 times the reciprocal, 5 over 6. 3 cancels out here, bang bang. 5 on the top, 14 on the bottom. 20 over 3 divided by 15 over 2 times the reciprocal, 2 over 15. 5 in common, bang bang. What's left is 4 and 3. 4 times 2, 8. 3 times 3, 9. H, complex fraction. 12 over 5 divided by 2 over 3 times the reciprocal, 3 over 2. See here, we got a 2 in common, bang bang. What's left is 6 and 3, so 18 over 5 as such. Another complex fraction, 17 over 2 divided by 1/4 times the reciprocal, 4 over 1. 2 cancels out, bang bang. What's left is 2 on the top. 17 times 2, 34. 1 times 1 is 1. 34, final answer. 6 divided by 3 over 4. So times the reciprocal, 4 over 3. 3's cancel out, bang bang. What's left is 2 and 1. So 2 times 4, 8. And 1 on the bottom like that. So final answer is 8. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.